What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to go over all of the different inputs and controls for the SONIC-50L. So let's take a look to see how the speaker works. Starting on the top here, we have the power button to turn our speaker on and off, so we're going to hold it down to turn it on. Once it powers on, it will automatically go into Bluetooth mode so you can pair your smartphone or tablet to the speaker. Next we have the mode button for the built-in LEDs, and there are 3 different LED modes. So we have a strobe mode where the lights will strobe in between all the different colors while the music is playing. Next there's a color cycle mode where the LEDs will cycle between each color. And then there's a color fade mode where the lights will fade in and out of each color. So to cycle between these different modes, you're just going to press this mode button, and after the 3rd mode, the lights will turn off altogether, so keep that in mind if you want to turn off the LEDs. After that, we have buttons for music playback, like the pause and play button in the middle here. You also have a previous button to go back a track, which also acts as a repeat button. And then you have the skip forward button to go to the next track, and this also acts as the TWS button, which we'll circle back to later on. On the back, we have this rubber covering here, and if we lift that up, it will reveal all these different inputs. So we have a 1/4-inch microphone input to plug a microphone into the speaker, and then next to that we have the aux input to plug in the included aux cable. There's also a USB and a TF card input to play music from a USB thumb drive or a TF card. There's also a reset button in case you needed to reset your speaker, and then there's the USB-C port that we can use with the included charger to charge up our speaker. The cool thing about the aux, USB, and TF card input is that as soon as you plug anything into any of these inputs, the speaker will automatically switch to that mode. So for example, if I took a thumb drive and plugged it into the USB input, the speaker will automatically switch to USB mode. You can tell the battery life of your speaker by looking at the front display here. It will also tell us which mode our speaker is set to, and right above the display we have the volume wheel here to adjust the volume for our speaker. Another great feature is after a while, if there's no music playing through the speaker, it will automatically turn off to save battery. So hopefully this helped explain all of the different controls and inputs for your SONIC-50L, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.